Hi, this is my review of Roomba, iRobot Roomba 805 vacuum. First of all, I would like to spend a couple of minutes describing the differences between the previous generation of Roomba. I previously had Roomba 655. I think it's slight upgrade to 650. 655 is paid series version of 650, which has slightly uh, added features. I think it has a better battery as compared to 650. But this is Roomba 805. This is the newest Roomba available in Costco. So this is almost similar to 860. This is kind of in between 860 and 880 vacuum. Um, it definitely has a better battery as compared to 860, and it comes with two of these dual mode virtual wall barriers. 860 has only one of them, and 805, being a Costco, it has two of them. But it does not come with the remote as it would come with the 880. So it's slightly a lower model as compared to 880, but it's definitely better than 860 because it comes with two of these, and it also comes with their best battery, whatever they have. They call it the X Life, or I guess whatever they call it. So there we have it, Roomba 805. Definitely a must buy if you have kids. And if you're confused about whether or not you should buy Roomba, then go grab one, try it out. I would say it's definitely a must have. It definitely saves you a ton of time. And if you're confused about whether or not you should get 805 as compared to 860 or 880, then my guess is all of the vacuums, 800 series vacuums, are the same, except for they come with different accessories. So you can add on the remote on top of the 805. It comes to like $30 on the iRobot website. So that's the official price, and you could probably get it even cheaper on eBay or Amazon, I guess. That's not a deal breaker as compared to the 880 for me. So thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.